Hi, my name's Leah and I attempt science on the internet. Flynn wants to know why the sky is blue. And the answer to this question is really interesting, but there's a few things we need to cover first. So the first thing you need to know is that sunlight is whitish light. In fact, if you could look at the sun from space, do not look at the sun, but if you could look at the sun from space, you'd see a white sphere against a black sky. And light looks white when a whole rainbow of colours mixes together. And you can prove this at home with one of these. This is a prism. I got it for like £9 off of Amazon, and a prism can split white light back into a rainbow. So fact one, sunlight is white light and white light contains a whole rainbow of colours. The second thing you need to know is that light can travel in waves, and each time a wave gets back to the same point, we say that's one wavelength. And different colours have different wavelengths. So blue and violet have a very short wavelength, like this. And red and orange have a very long wavelength, like this. And when light with a particular wavelength enters your eyes, you actually see that colour. So fact two, light can travel in waves, and different colours have different wavelengths. The third thing you need to know is that sunlight has to pass through the Earth's atmosphere to reach your eye. Do not look at the sun. And particles and gas in the Earth's atmosphere can actually bounce light in a new direction. And this is called Rayleigh scattering. Rayleigh scattering affects different colours, different amounts, and particularly affects light with a short wavelength, like the colour blue. This means that the colour blue is bounced easily and it's bounced a lot. So fact three, the Earth's atmosphere can redirect light, and especially the colour blue. So why is the sky blue? When the sun is high in the sky, sunlight only has to pass through a short section of atmosphere to reach the ground. Over this short distance, the colour blue is bounced out of sunlight, and it's bounced again and again and again, and it spreads out across the sky. This leaves sunlight looking a little less white because it's missing some of its blue. Do not look at the sun. And it makes the sky look really, really blue. If our atmosphere didn't scatter light like this, the sun would look like a white sphere in a black sky.